Okay, picture this. You wake up one morning and your entire city is run by AI. The traffic lights, the cops, the subways, even your morning coffee machine, all controlled by algorithms smarter than you and me combined. Sounds cool, right? Or maybe terrifying? First thing you'd notice? No traffic jams. Every light is perfectly timed. Cars drive themselves. Accidents drop to almost zero. Cops? Replaced by AI patrol drones that never sleep. And imagine, no more waiting at the DMV. AI handles licenses, taxes, even your Netflix recommendations on a city level. Honestly, life would feel smooth. Bills paid automatically, trash picked up on time, hospitals run by AI doctors that diagnose you in seconds. Even crime rates could drop, because cameras are everywhere, tracking everything 24/7. Sounds like a utopia, right? Like living inside a sci-fi dream. But hold up. Here's where it gets sketchy. What happens if the AI decides you're the problem? Imagine getting a ticket before you even speed. Or the system locking you out of your own house because you missed one bill. Privacy? Gone. Every text, every move, every bite of pizza you order, tracked. And imagine the glitch. One bad code update and boom, traffic lights go nuts, planes get grounded, and millions of people get stuck. If hackers take over, forget it. The whole country could shut down overnight. So, what if AI really controlled every city in the US? It could be the smoothest life we've ever seen, or the scariest. Question is, would you trust the machines to run your world? Drop your thoughts in the comments.